Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Dehradun that specializes in providing high-quality building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of experienced professionals and advanced technology, Scon Design India Private Limited has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to clients in Dehradun and beyond. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction documentation, and project coordination. The company uses cutting-edge software and tools to ensure accurate and efficient project delivery. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd as your BIM partner is their expertise in handling complex projects. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd has worked on a diverse range of projects, including residential, commercial, industrial, and institutional buildings. Their deep understanding of various construction processes and standards enables them to deliver customized solutions to meet the specific requirements of each project. Scon Design India Private Ltd is committed to delivering high-quality BIM services that not only meet but exceed client expectations. The company follows a rigorous quality control process to ensure accuracy and precision in every project. They also believe in maintaining open communication with clients throughout the project lifecycle to address any concerns or modifications promptly. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Private Limited also emphasizes sustainability in their BIM services. They incorporate green building practices and energy-efficient design principles into their projects to minimize environmental impact. By leveraging BIM technology, they can simulate and analyze different design options to optimize energy performance and reduce carbon footprint. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Dehradun, offering comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services. With our expertise in various architectural and engineering disciplines, we provide innovative and sustainable solutions to our clients. Our team of highly skilled professionals is committed to delivering projects that meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. As a BIM company, we understand the importance of integrating technology into the design and construction processes. BIM allows us to create detailed 3D models that encompass all aspects of a construction project, from the architectural design to the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. This integration enables us to identify and resolve clashes or conflicts early on, minimizing rework and ensuring smooth project execution. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we strive to stay updated with the latest advancements in BIM technology. Our team is proficient in using industry-leading software such as Autodesk Revit and Navisworks, which enable us to collaborate effectively with architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders. This collaborative approach